Hey everyone, wanted to record this quick demo highlighting the insurance company accounts and the parent and child account relationships. As you might have seen, the child account information is now live on the parent account page. So using State Farm as an example here, when I scroll down, you will see the 7 child accounts we have tagged out to State Farm now appearing on the State Farm parent account page. You scroll down a little bit further, you will see the child account contacts being populated, the name as well as the name of the child account that they're associated with. And then lastly, down at the bottom, you'll see the investment holdings for each child account. So each child account will be highlighted and then which holding that child account is associated with. This will be broken out into alternative holdings, equity holdings, and lastly, fixed income holdings.